5.5, the ones that I've seen question marks on are 6, which says find h of -2 if h is this. H of x is this, so I put -2 into there, and if I go from -2 to -2, that's no width, and so that would be 0. Now, if I go to the prime, the derivative of this would be just x put in for the u times the derivative of that, which is 1. So h prime of x would be 1 over x squared plus 1 times the derivative of that, which is 1. And so if I want to find it of -2 squared is 4, plus 1 is 5. That would be 1/5. 12. Integrate from 0 to x to 0 of this dt. Well, why don't I just do this? Why don't I go from negative of the integral from 0 to x of e to the -t dt, just to make it so I got it going from 0 up. And this integrated, e to the -t integrated would be e to the -t times divided by a -1. Because the derivative of that would be e to the -t times the derivative of that, which is -1. So that -1 would cancel it. But this minus would cancel that. So I've got that evaluated from 0 to x. So I plug x in here, and I get e to the -x. Then I put 0 in here. E to the 0 is 1. All right, 17. So we're supposed to write an integral for capital F. That's what it says here. And so capital F would be the integral from something to x of the derivative, which is square root of, and we'll put t into this, and now to make this come out 0 when x is 5, well, I can just start it at 5, so 5 to 5 would make it come out to 0. And so there's the integral expression of that. And 21. So this says take the derivative of the integral. So those kind of cancel each other out. So I just plug in x for the t's, and I get x to the 5th minus 9x to the 3rd. Then I take it, that was with respect to t, then I have to take respect of x, because that's what it says. So I take the derivative of that, which is 1. So I really didn't have to do it because it is 1, but if it was x squared, I'd have 2x out here. If it was 2x, I'd have a 2 out here. So, but that's it. Okay? And that's what the question is.